day in my life as a student here in CNSC. For today's video, pupunta tayo sa library. Let's go! Pero hindi na tayo papasok. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo. Go! Yan. Sasabihin ko sa inyo mamaya kung
A library is a vital place where knowledge, culture, and community meet. It provides free access to books, information, and digital resources, giving everyone an equal chance to learn and grow. More than just storybooks, it supports education, preserves history, promotes reading, and develops critical thinking skills. It also serves as a safe space for research, study, and community activities, making it a true gateway to lifelong learning and personal
main
development.
library kung saan maraming student ang nag-aaral. The library is important for students because it supports their learning, research, and personal growth. It provides access to textbooks, reference materials, and digital resources that help them understand lessons and complete assignments. Libraries offer a quiet, focused environment for studying away from distraction. They also teach students how to find, evaluate, and use information effectively, a skill needed for both academic success and life. Beyond academics, libraries encourage reading for pleasure, which improves vocabulary, creativity, and critical thinking. In short, library is a powerful tool that helps students succeed in school and develop lifelong learning habits. Bye, vlog! So, mamaya, may papapanood ako sa inyong video na may in-interview ako mga students kung bakit sila nag-aral dito sa CNS. Malalaman natin kung ano nga ba yung mga reason nila at bakit sila nag-aral dito. Anong meron sa iba sa school na to na wala sa ibang school.
Ako para sa akin, pag-aaral sa Genesis, sobrang laking tulong sa akin. Kasi unang-una, ito pumasok kasi exam pa lang, walang mabayaran tuition. So, pero under siya ng CHED. So sa CN, senior high pa lang ako, bumibisita na ako dito kasi nagpa-consult kami sa mga instructors, sa mga project namin, and napapansin ko yung environment nila, napakaganda, ang gagaling ng mga instructors. So, parang nakuha yung loob ko para mag-aaral sa CN. So, kumbaga, yung quality ng education nandyan, talagang the best sa CN. So, yun lang naman.
Nag-aral ako dito sa CNSC dahil yung education, maganda ang facility and mataas din yung kalidad ng education. And also, dito din yung gusto kong course na accountancy. And nagtitiwala ako na kapag nakapagtapos ako dito, alam ko makakapasa ako sa bar exam.
Free tuition, maraming opportunity, and mababait yung mga tao, madali ka makakuha ng mga kaibigan, kasama. Yun.
Nag-aaral ako sa CNSC dahil bukod sa walang tuition, natutulungan ako nito matupad yung pangarap ko. Balang araw, magamit ko ito sa first years kong course talaga nang wala ng